to Cooking Cutie Pie AI. Today we're going to crack the code of boiling the perfect eggs, alright? All you need for this recipe is just fresh eggs, water, ice cube. That's it. Simple, right? So first step is place your eggs into a single layer at the bottom of the pot. Fill the pot with enough water to cover the eggs by about an inch or so, and this will ensure even cooking. And the water is just room temperature water, not cold or hot water. And I will turn on the stove on high heat and then put the pot on it. Set timer for 13 minutes from the moment that you place the pot on top of the stove until the timer are done, alright? So while are we waiting for the egg to cook, let's crack open some excellent wisdom. Did you know that the age of the egg can affect how easily it peels? Older eggs tend to peel more easily after boiling water as an egg ages, because its pH level rises, which helps with the protein in the egg white to bond less to the shell. And here's the tip. Starting with room temperature egg can prevent cracking when they hit the hot water. There you go. Now you know why, and you got some information along the way, so I hope that helped, alright? If you prefer soft boiled eggs, set timer for 11 to 12 minutes and that is perfect. And this is 13 minutes, but the egg yolk is just perfect, not too dry or fully cooked yet. So once it's done, the timer's off. I will remove from the stove and pour the hot water out and rinse with cold water about 1 or 2 times to cool it off. Then I will add about 1 or 2 cup ice cube in there. This cold plunge is going to be our secret weapon for easily peeling, alright? Then give the eggs a cooling period of at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and create a slight contraction in the eggs, pulling them away from their shells, okay? Now is the moment of truth. Peeling, right? Gently tap each egg on the counter and rolling a little bit to crack the shell. Then you start to peeling. Look at that, how easy that is, right? You'll notice how the shell come off much more smoothly. Look at that. And this, you will roll it like in the palm of your hand, just like in the video here, like that, and it will be much easier. And the other trick is to peel it under running water or in a bowl of water. That water also helps to separate the shell from the egg as well. And also you will be able to rinse any excess shell on the egg too. And there you have it. The perfectly boiled eggs with shells that practically jump off. Enjoy this high-protein snack or chop them up with your salad and sandwiches, or just have it just as is. Oh, and I'm curious, what is your favorite way to enjoy your boiled eggs? Drop your excellent ideas in the comment down below, and let's share the joy of simple, delicious cooking. Wow, look at the egg yolk, right? It's soft, not too hard or not too soft, just medium soft, and it looks so delicious. I'm so in love with these eggs. I like to sprinkle a little bit of salt and black pepper on top, and then just squeeze a tiny bit of sriracha on each piece of the eggs, and topping with some cilantro or green onion. That is totally optional. You wouldn't believe how delicious, soft, and creamy it is. Please give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed, I promise you. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking Cutie Pie AI. If you love this exceptional tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen wisdom. Please share with your friends and family so they can get this tip and trick on how to boil the perfect eggs. Until next time, keep cooking smart and savor every bite. Bye!